In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for eBay. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, I'm going to open up my Google Chrome on my mobile device. I'm going to head on over to Google. And now once you're inside Google, I'm going to type in eBay promo code. And once you've done that, you'll see a whole list of results. So I've got Coupon Nation, Coupon Follow. If I scroll down, Groupon, Retail Me Not, etc. So I've got all the big third-party retailers given some discount off at eBay. So to activate any one of these discounts, I'm going to use Coupon Follow for this demonstration. It's got 25% off. So I'm going to go ahead and click into this. And you can see all the different promo codes. You've got $10 off order, 20% off, 25% off. So to activate any one of these coupon codes, I'm just going to click on the 25% off with eBay coupon. And now here's the code here. So what you want to do is click on copy and then paste this at the checkout section at eBay, and then that will activate your 25% off. Look for a part at the checkout section that says enter promo code or discount code, and then paste this code there and enjoy your 25% off. And also you can click on redeem at ebay.com.au and that'll activate the 25% off automatically, and it'll redirect you to ebay.com.au. But if you're in another country, it'd be ebay.com or your country region at the end of that.